guys having a great day. Perfect. All right, guys, we were in the return. You could see all that stuff there. Not too bad because we've got all the supplies upstairs, but this is what it looks like. And then we're going to access the return. This is actually the supply. The return is over there. We're going to access it. The access panel is over there. But this is the supply duct. As you can see, we'll get it going. Thanks for watching. Hey, YouTube, Facebook. We are at a job again today. This is a repeat client that we did the hardwood floors a couple weeks ago. And today we did the HVAC cleaning. It is recommended after you do your hardwood sanding. So we did all this area. As you can see, look how beautiful the floors turned out. Just phenomenal. But we did all the HVAC system cleaning here. We did all upstairs. And then we did all downstairs. And they have a little over 2,500 square feet, and we took care of that today for them. Got everything clean and sanitized and all that good stuff. So they are excited, and yeah, it turned out great. So again, this is the finished work, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.